Good morning. It's a beautiful sunny morning today, and I'm headed off to Alappuzha, also known as Alappi earlier. This is about a 65-kilometer drive. Would take about 1.5 to 2 hours based on the traffic, and this is a bright sunny day to start with, so that's the good news. So I'll be taking you through the key locations en route, the scenic spaces as well. As far as the road conditions go, it's a mixed bag. You have decent smooth stretches, you have some pothole stretches, and then you have a couple of spaces within the city in Kochi where the flyover work is happening, so there are congestion points there as well. But overall, we should not exceed more than 2 hours to get to Alappuzha. Started my journey from PALARIVATTOM, and we are reaching the first congestion point, which is VYTTILA, and this is where an overbridge is expected to come up. The road work is in progress, the bridge work is in progress, and parallelly there is metro line is also running through. So a bit of a congestion point, which will take a bit of time. Luckily it's not that big today because it used to start from much behind, slightly earlier than the rush hours, so we should be able to get through quick. As you can see, there is flyover work happening, and there is a metro line going over on the top, crossing over the bridge. So this is keeping the space quite busy as the road size has shrunk, and most of the times it's chock-a-block. But today we are lucky, so we are getting out of the space pretty quick. Now we have reached the next congestion point. This place is called MARADU. Again, a location where flyover is coming up. Roads have shrunk, so there is blockade invariably right through the day. Again, we are lucky as the block is not much. We should be able to get through quick. So as expected, we have been lucky. We have been able to escape the block without much of a challenge. And we are now crossing Maradu. Maradu is a prominent location as some of the top hotels of Kochi are located in this area on either side of the roads. And this is the space from where we actually cross the major congestion points, and we are en route to the outskirts of the city. We are now crossing Parangad Junction. This is known for Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies. We are now approaching the toll junction, which means we are almost at the end of the major city point, and moving over to the next location. This place is called ROADTRIP. This is where the National Highway Toll Plaza is located. Where we make a brief stopover to pick up the tickets and then head up. So I picked up a one-way ticket as I'm not sure about the journey back, and this is how it looks, and cost 30 rupees for a journey which I've done till here. The traffic is gaining momentum, and I can see on the opposite side a good lot of traffic coming up. But since we are going out of the city, it's going to be much more relaxed since we have covered the major congestion points. Now the ride from here will be smooth and fast. This is the backwaters right after Turabur toll bridge that you get to see, which stretches, and this is just the beginning. We are going to the backwater land, Alappuzha. On either side, it's a beautiful stretch. Now we have reached Turabur Junction, famous for Turabur Mahashetram, or the big temple at Turabur. This is located right next to the NH47, so we'll have a look from outside. That is the temple right across the NH47 with a fantastic frontage. This is a temple which houses two gods, Lord Mahasudarshana Murti and Lord Narasimha Murti, and one of the few temples which has Narasimha as the deity. So if you are on this side, do visit Turabur temple. Parallel to this NH47, there is a coastal road also, not fully done, but it's being developed, which is a biker's paradise again. The stretch is beautiful as it is right next to the coast, with lovely sightings of the beaches en route, and it used to be popular by the name of Route 66 long ago. Still, some of the bikers do take up that route, so do cyclists, as it's quite scenic. The national highway doesn't give you the beauty of the beaches, but then the size of the road is quite wide enough for us to travel through faster, so we are on the NH47. Maybe someday later I will take you through that coastal stretch as well. Also on the coastal stretch is a beautiful church called ARTHUNKAL Palli, or Arthungal Church, which is a historic church and a must-visit church if you are on the coastal stretch of this road. Vayalar Ramavarma, also known as Vayalar, was a Malayalam language poet and lyricist. Vayalar has created some of the most amazing works in Kerala. We are on to the CHERTHALA bypass now. This is one of the few locations where you get to see the train running parallel to you. Hardly much of a difference in terms of the distance, and it's an amazing sight. The CHERTHALA railway station is also located a little further up from here. We are now approaching the X-ray junction. This is the junction which is prominent in CHERTHALA. We did not touch the town, as that would have taken a lot of time. We were sticking onto the highway and moving on to Alappuzha from here. We are now crossing St. Michael's College, which is one of the oldest colleges in CHERTHALA, and heading towards Alappuzha. The road is much better here. Until CHERTHALA, we had a lot of patchworks on the potholes, so there was a development. There are no more potholes, there are patchworks. The road was still bumpy, but from here on, the road stretches are pretty even, as you can see. It's very smooth to drive from here on, and we are not very far away from Alappuzha, just about 20 odd kilometers, so then we should be there. This stretch between CHERTHALA and Alappuzha is also famous for a few other things. You have the coir factories around this stretch, and you get to see and buy a lot of amazing coir products. Most of the factories are into the export mode, but then they have retail outlets on the sides, and you have roadside stretches also, shops which sell these coir products. In addition, you get to see and buy bamboo products, which is again a local produce and is well Kerala in every sense of the word, because they are locally done, and the designs are also absolutely local. We're crossing MUHAMMA now. MUHAMMA is the backwater side of Alappuzha, the beginning of Alappuzha, which houses some of the beautiful resorts, backwater resorts, ideal for leisure and Ayurveda. On to my right now is a place called Mararikulam beach, which is one of the most pristine, clean beaches in Kerala, and famous for the numerous exotic resorts which is housed there. One of the closest beach locations from Kochi. This is a hot sell among the domestic as well as the inbound traffic. So now we are entering the town of Alappuzha. As I mentioned earlier, it used to be known as Alappi, and now it's been renamed Alappuzha. So don't be confused if you get to hear two different names. It is the same. This is the place where we turn left towards the finishing point, our final destination. As I mentioned, the mainstay of Alappuzha is tourism. And when you say tourism, it's primarily the houseboats and the resorts, and you get a multitude of options for both. Plenty of amazing resorts ranging from the basic lodges going up to 5 stars, and there are about 1,500 boats in this area, the houseboats, the overnight boats which you can use for a cruise and as well as a stay overnight with all meals served on board. As you can see on the right hand side, there are numerous shikaras and motorboats, which is popular for short cruises. People who do not wish to stay prefer to take shikaras and motorboats. This is available at much lesser pricing, and if you're just looking for a backwater experience, this is a very good option that you could look at. It's all set the morning. They are all ready because the cruises start by around roughly about 10, going up till late in the evening until sunset. So this place is all set, and we have come to our final destination area, the area called Finishing Point, which is around the corner. We have arrived at our destination, the finishing point. This is the point where all the houseboats are parked, and this is the place from where they start and finish the cruises.